Hi everybody! Today we're going to show you our loud and crazy rooster, Jabberwocky. When we got him, we actually didn't intend to get a rooster. We thought we were getting a hen at a few days old when he was a chick. And we brought him home and my son held him and raised him and gave him all his love. And then he got older and he started making strange noises. And my son said, "Mom, I think he's a rooster." And then he started making more strange noises. And then they started sounding like crows. And we realized we really did have a rooster. And we no longer had a puppy. We now had to name him Jabberwocky because he was a boy. And so the louder he got, we needed to make a decision because we are in a setting where we can't have a loud rooster making noise for all our neighbors all the time. So we had to decide what to do. We talked about finding him a new home, but my son was really concerned about where he went and whether he was going to be in a good situation. We also didn't want him to become a fighting rooster or get eaten. So I looked it up and tried to find a solution for his loud noises that was humane, and I came across a chicken collar. And so what it is, I went ahead and made one, and all it is some elastic band here and some Velcro so I can adjust the size, and it's completely humane. It doesn't hurt him. All it does is make it so he can't crow real loud. But I actually have too much space in there right now. I should only need to fit 2 fingers in there, but it keeps him quiet enough this way. And we'll go ahead and we'll show you what he sounds like with it and without it. And so that's it. Let's go ahead and do that. So I just want to show you the collar real quick. It's Velcro, and it's real dirty obviously because he wears it all the time. And it's got the elastic there, and it's very simple and very easy to make if you wanted to make your own. So we just wanted to tell you one more thing. When you first put the collar on, our rooster kind of got freaked out and he would back up a lot. So we slowly put it on him. We put it on him loose and we tightened it a little bit more, and he slowly got used to it within an hour. Yeah. It didn't take long. So we just wanted to give you that warning so you don't freak out if he starts backing up and freaking out at first. So. So if you have a noisy rooster and you need a solution, I just wanted to share because you can make them quieter. You can't make them stop crowing altogether humanely that I am aware of, but you can make them quieter with this chicken collar. So they used to sell them on Amazon. I don't know if they still do, but I'll link to them down below if they do. And or you can sew your own like I did. It's very easy to do, and you can make your rooster be quiet. Huh, Jabber? He's actually kind of a crazy rooster at this point, but we tolerate him. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. It's you. Hey, what was that? Was that you?